Hi guys, welcome to Fill My Plate. I'm Archana and today we're going to be preparing a snack, lip smacking and crunchy samosas. And this particular video is available in two languages. One is English and the Tamil version is available in the link in the description below. And if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe to our channel and also like it. And let's get started. Let's see how to prepare samosas and also the filling that's needed for it. And the ingredients are shown on the next slide.
The ingredients needed for samosas are displayed on screen. Keep them ready. And in a bowl, add maida, ajwain, which is carom seeds, and also a bit of salt and hot oil, a little bit of water. Mix them well. We add hot ghee just so that the samosas melt in your mouth. Mix them and knead them well and keep it aside for about 20 minutes. Rest them. Cover it up and rest them for about 20 minutes. Now in a hot pan, add oil, let it heat up and add the crushed dhania seeds, maybe 1.5 spoons. Add them in the oil and then add green chilies, maybe 3 or 4 according to your taste, and then cashews as well, and ginger garlic paste 1 to 2 tablespoons, and just fry them in the hot oil. Add the green peas, fry them well as well. Once these are done, now we'll be adding the boiled and crushed potatoes into the mixture and fry them with all the other ingredients already added. And now add all the dry spices according to your taste. You can add them less or more, but add them, mix it up well, and let it cook. This will be our samosa filling. So this is ready. Let's keep it aside and let it cool. So now let's get back to the dough that was been resting for some time. So it's done well. Like how we do our chapatis or rotis, we'll just have to take one at a time, and in one roll we can make 2 samosas. See how I'm doing it. We need to get something similar to an oval shape so that we can cut it down into 2 pieces for the base. So this is how it is. Don't really have to get the exact shape, but yeah, you can just cut it into 2 halves. So you can get 2 samosas in each. So yeah, let's do one now. So I've made a maida paste, a maida and water, thick paste it acts like a glue. I'm applying it on the edge. I'm going to be holding both the edges and then making a cone-shaped pocket, something like a cone shape. I'm going to be sealing the edges like how I'm showing it on screen. You need to seal the edges well so that when you're putting your filling, it won't come out in the hot oil when you're frying it. Ensure the edges are properly sealed. So this is the cone shape that we're looking. Put the filling inside, put it up to 3/4 and seal the edges using the same maida paste. Seal it well and prepare the other samosas also the same way. Samosas also the similar way, and keep them aside. You can rest them for a bit to get nice crunchy samosas. See, this is our traditional samosas, and I've taken a pan. The hot oil is ready. Let it be in medium hot. Slide one at a time. Be very careful while sliding it, and let it cook in the hot oil. Please keep checking in between. Cook in the medium flame to get nice crunchy samosas. See, our samosas are ready. They are golden brown. Now you can just take them out on a paper towel. They're nice and crunchy. Have them with hot Irani chai. I'm going to be having them with the ketchup and the traditional mirchis. Enjoy the samosas. Thanks for watching.